people, me in front of the camera for a change. Generally I do tend to be behind it, but today I've got multiple camera angles going on for something different, and to see what I can do with that within a video. But today is Saturday, and it is almost 3:15 in the afternoon, and I've been really busy. I've bought Dada an iPhone 11 Pro, which I will pick up, and you will see here that it is recording, and I'm using the front camera, so I'm going to wonder what it actually turns out like using front camera. So far, the only thing that I've found, sorry guys, as I'm looking for something else and things fall over, because I cannot find my tripod and my bits for my phone anymore, which is packed everything up and put everything away, and I can't find anything, and it's frustrating and it's tiring, and it's all those things combined. So I'm getting there. I'm slowly starting to put my things back into the house, and still I don't feel like it's exactly my place yet, but I'm getting there, because as you know, my daughter moved in, and she got lounge room and kitchen and bath, and yeah, all that side of the house pretty much, and bar one bedroom, and I kind of got this space, which is fine because it's where me and the snakes hang out, and I don't have one with me. So I guess I should go and get one for you to see. So which camera do I take? Number 1, number 2, or number 3? I don't know. But I really am trying out this iPhone to see what it's like. Now, what I've realized is it does MOV files, which is really difficult to do in terms of my computer really doesn't accept those types of files. So I always have to convert them, and it's so annoying. Like my other phone, I could just transfer files over directly into my computer and it was all there. Not this one. And you know, I've been told that the quality is amazing and all the rest of it, so I'm giving it a go by using it as the main camera today, and my other main camera is of course looking at me this way, and my old camera that I always used and loved, I must say I did love, which is the Olympus, is sitting there doing this side-on view. I also bought, I nearly choked then, an Osmo DJI gimbal for my phone, which I've had a fiddle with and a go with, and I still am trying to figure it out, guys. So I didn't want to do anything with this today for that particular reason. I'm kind of going all over the place and up and down and sideways, and yeah, I'm still learning it. Now it has you know, lots of things you can do directly onto here rather than going to your camera, but you have to run it in the app to zoom and to do certain things. Basically it will, you know, click back so it's balanced and it'll pan and so forth, but other things you can't do with it unless you're actually videoing within the app. So this might be boring you because my channel is about snakes. So here I go with one snake that you can all see. Come out, dude. Don't come out with Mum. Please. You generally like to come out, don't you? Come on, Fatty. Come on, Mr. Fatty. Come on. Come on. Come on. Could you come out? Look at that. Look at your little belly moving. Look at your belly moving. Come on. You need to come out, darling. Okay. I know. This fell off, didn't it? Okay. Did that fall off? Can I get you? Could I get you, darling? Yeah. Whoa. There you go. There you go. So, here I am with a little car who is a Stimsons Python and due for a feed. Hungry little fellow that he is. Of course, are you not? A hungry boy? Don't eat the cat. The cat's way too big for you, actually. So, yeah, I have been busy, guys, figuring out different ways to shoot my videos and for you to get some good pictures of this boy. He is truly a beautiful little fellow car. He is full of beans and he's always ready to greet me and say hello to me when I go to the door, and he kind of lets me know he would like to come on out. So I love getting Car out, and you know, as you can see, he's just gentle, slow, easygoing. And I always say that, don't I, about my snakes, but my snakes pretty much are all easygoing, bar the Jessie, who is my little insecure guy, big insecure guy. And Tessa has her moments but is much better. And Ishi, well, if I let her come out all by herself, she's just beautiful too. And Ishi is my spotted python, Jessie is my jungle, and Tessa is my Bradley. So, yep, here is Car. And I hope to get some good shots of him with my gimbal and my phone, which I will carry with me when I'm out, which is much easier to have with me when I'm out than my camera, which I always seem to forget, but I always have my phone with me. So, you know, that's why I decided to upgrade and get some some video while I'm out, and even possibly look at going, you know, live stream with my phone as well. So yeah, a lot more of me just chatting away to you, because it's a kind of an experiment at the moment what I'm doing, just to see what you think, and just for me to see how it all goes as well. So I hope you enjoyed seeing little car and listening to my Leo, my cockatiel, having his little whistle and everything in the background there, and people coming through the door, and that's my house. Busy, busy, busy. So guys, take care of yourself, your family, your friends, your snakes. And all your animals. Ciao.